Hello, listeners and viewers. Thank you for tuning in Spiritual Boat. So, today we are going to take 5 almost similar Punjabi and Marathi words. Punjabi and Marathi are the sister languages. So, first word we are going to take here is yes. In Marathi, we call it ho, and in Punjabi, we say aho. The second word is where. Now, where is pronounced as kuthe in Marathi and kithe in Punjabi. Now, the third word which I am taking here in my list is remove. Remove is spoken as card in Marathi and kad in Punjabi. So, now the next word I am taking here is when. When is pronounced as kadhi in Marathi and kado in Punjabi. Now the last word here I have selected is good. Now good in Marathi is called as changla and in Punjabi it is changa. And a very funny word which is a colloquial slang in Punjabi which we call to good as canta. Thank you for listening.